All right, so I got a piece of scrap wood with some clamps. I have it nice and even against the top of the cabinet. And I'm gonna cut this. Can't get in there with this. Come on. I guess I could this way, but then it's gonna stop. How would you do this? I have changed the blade. I'm just gonna go nice and slow. Be really careful. Looks good over there. We're not gonna know right here until I cut the other side. Take this down. Right now, it looks like it's good. I think this side might be glued up a little better than the other. See if I can just give it a little tap. Boom! So now what I've done is I've ripped down what I'm going to use here, 1/4 inch. That is going to go from here over to here, just like that. And then I'm going to put my filler piece in right here, and then do my 45 like I did everywhere else. Match these up just like that. And then my crown will go around like this. Sweet. I think it worked out.